How to add or remove the Announce Notifications widget to the Control Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe down at the top corner to open up the Control Center. And then we go to the top and tap on the Add button. Now go down, then tap on Add a Control. Next, we scroll down. So scroll down to the Utilities section, and then we tap on Announce Notifications, and this will add the Announce Notifications widget to the Control Center. And here we can swipe up to return back to the home screen. So to use it, we can swipe down to open up the Control Center, then tap on the Announce Notifications widget to turn on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.